I've got a hefty amount of text on screen over here, but maybe you don't want to show all of it because it's a bit too long. By the way, this is not a single post template. This is just a text editor on a standard page. So let's say I want to have a cutoff and I want to have a read more button. And when you click that, it will reveal the rest of the text and I can click it again to hide it. That's really simple and easy to do with just a tiny bit of HTML. So this down here, this read more is HTML and you can see the code on the right hand side. This is the same code I used in a previous video with regards to a single post template, but you can use the same code here as well. You can go and modify the style of it, and all you've got to do is go over to your text editor, go over to the advanced tab, and you want to give it long_content as the ID. That's pretty important. If you want to make it a class name, go and change the HTML because I've got hashtag long_content. And as soon as I did that, can you see it shrunk down? So let's go and see it in action. There's my text and I hit read more and can you now see it expanded down? Go and modify it if you want in the code and it now says show less. You click it again and it went to show less. So maybe you want to reveal more items on your page, you can do that. And I've gone and dropped an icon in below the read more just to show you how it pushes all of the items down. So when I click read more now, the icon goes down so it won't overlap it. So don't worry about it hiding other information. I hope this helps. The code link is in the video description. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share and follow. Catch you later.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.